Massive opportunity alert. While Bitcoin's crashing and the whole market's bleeding, one coin is actually up 25%. I'm about to show you why Hamster Kombat isn't just surviving this crash, it's thriving. And if you think you've missed the boat, wait until you see the entry points I've discovered. Listen up, because what I'm about to share isn't just random crypto hopium. We're talking about hard data, real market analysis, and a strategy that could help you maximize your profits while minimizing risk. This isn't about getting rich quick. This is about smart, strategic investing in one of the most promising projects of 2025. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, the market is down, Bitcoin's dropping, and 99% of altcoins are following. But here's where it gets interesting. While everything else is down 30 to 40%, Hamster Kombat has actually gained 25% in the last month. This isn't just impressive, it's practically unheard of in current market conditions. Let me show you something that's blowing my mind. Hamster Kombat's current market cap is sitting at $128 million. That puts it at rank 278 out of millions of tokens. This isn't just another random altcoin. This is a seriously undervalued gem with massive potential for growth. Now, I've been in crypto long enough to know that portfolio management is everything. I see too many people putting all their eggs in one basket, asking about single coins like BNB or Tron. Here's the truth. Successful crypto investors maintain a balanced portfolio of 5 to 10 coins, not 20, not 30, just 5 to 10 carefully selected projects with real potential. Let's talk entry strategy, because timing is crucial here. Hamster Kombat is currently sitting at $0.001, and I'm seeing a perfect opportunity for a two-part entry. Here's my strategy. First buy at the current price of $0.009, then set up a second buy if we see a drop to $0.001. This way, you're not betting everything on a single entry point. Think about these numbers for a second. With a market cap of just $128 million, we're looking at a project that could easily do it 10 times from here. If it drops to 6 million market cap at $0.001, that's an even better buying opportunity. This is the kind of asymmetric risk-reward setup I love to see. What makes Hamster Kombat special is its resilience. It's already launched on Binance, but we haven't seen the typical pump and dump pattern. Instead, we're seeing steady strength and accumulation. This tells me that the people holding now aren't just airdrop farmers looking for quick profits. These are serious investors who understand the project's long-term potential. Here's what most people don't understand about market downturns. They're the perfect time to build positions in strong projects. When everything's bleeding and people are panicking, that's when generational wealth is built. Hamster Kombat showing strength in this environment isn't just impressive. It's a potential indicator of future performance. Looking at the technical analysis, we're seeing a beautiful consolidation pattern. The fact that we're holding support while other projects are making new lows is incredibly bullish. This kind of strength during market weakness often precedes major moves to the upside. But here's the thing about crypto investing. You need to be strategic. Don't try to catch every move in every coin. That's why I recommend staying focused on a select group of strong projects. Hamster Kombat has earned its place in my portfolio through demonstrated strength and solid fundamentals. For those wondering about entry timing, let me be clear. Trying to perfectly time the bottom is a fool's game. That's why I recommend scaling in. Start with a position at current prices, then keep some powder dry for potential dips. This way, you're not left completely on the sidelines if we start moving up, but you also have the ability to lower your average entry if we see more weakness. The current price action is particularly interesting because we're seeing a clear divergence from the overall market. While Bitcoin and most altcoins are making lower lows, Hamster Kombat is holding strong. This kind of relative strength often precedes significant breakouts once the overall market stabilizes. Looking ahead to the rest of 2025, I'm seeing multiple catalysts that could drive Hamster Kombat higher. The project has already proven itself through this market downturn, but we're still early in terms of overall adoption and development. The fact that it's already on Binance gives it a huge advantage in terms of liquidity and exposure. Remember, wealth in crypto isn't usually made by jumping from coin to coin, trying to catch every pump. It's made by identifying strong projects early, building positions strategically, and having the patience to let your thesis play out. Hamster Kombat is showing all the signs I look for in a long-term hold. For those already holding, this market weakness is actually a gift. It's giving you the opportunity to build your position at favorable prices. If you've been waiting for an entry point, the current market conditions are providing exactly that. Just remember to size your positions appropriately and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The key to success in crypto isn't just about picking the right projects. It's about having the right mindset and strategy. Build a diverse portfolio of 5 to 10 strong projects, scale into positions instead of going all in at once, and most importantly, have the patience to let your investments grow. Hamster Kombat showing strength in this market isn't an accident. It's a reflection of strong fundamentals, growing adoption, and smart tokenomics. While I can't predict exact prices, the risk-reward at current levels looks incredibly favorable for long-term investors. Stay focused, stay patient, and most importantly, stay committed to your strategy. The crypto market has always rewarded those who can keep their heads while others are losing theirs. This downturn won't last forever, and projects showing strength now are often the ones that lead the next bull run. Keep building your positions, maintain your conviction, and let's ride this wave together. Peace out, crypto fam, and until next time, here is a huge shout out to all of my Epic channel members: Muhammad Albada Moikaura, Enoxon001, M. Marinov YTube, Okemdi Chiememeze, Behind Wheels, James, Peter Edet, ENGR Chukwunonso Chioma, Osundeko Sesan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Adequeen, Jacob Malo, Ekene Okwosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwale Johnson, Godin Walby, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Ekwuime Kingsley, Bipolaroidi, Alexithymia, Dotun Ayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedict Emeka, Ifedigbo Chukwebuka Nduka, Obianuju Purity, Lorena Canaretio, Muhammad Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ihimadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Clevethson Wealth, Ruth Ekonem, Raida Musa, Easy Blaze, Nicholas Malor, Sir Wills, Miss Baudine Raji, Kuris M, Jasper Ibrahim, Joycey, Chiadosia Mesirionye, Isa Tahir, Suare Ionel, Petri Pukunen, Shalk, Bello Muhammad Jallo, Prince Orgisio Korie, Samsonite Amos, Ike Chukwu Jonas Okafor, Omale Ojonugwa, Johnson Jide, Raji Abdul, Arabi Hamza Yakubu, Paragon, Kestin Balogun, Akwenuke Chris, Omosefe Enogiero, Ifi Christine Achi, Uduak Eto, Rubani Nakushbandi, Adnort Global Inn, Dorothy Mulenga Shimakumba, Julian Shupman, Legend of God Concern Pharmacy, Emeti Chinedu, Priska, Abel Daria, Usman Safianu, SMB Designs, Emmanuel Josiah, Endurance, Mohammed Zulkarnain. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing.